In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a typing text animation in PowerPoint. This is a great way to add dynamic flair to your presentations, captivating your audience's attention with ease. Whether you're presenting data or telling a story through slides, this animation technique is both engaging and simple to implement. Let's dive right in and transform your presentation into something truly remarkable. First up, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. Once you're in, navigate to the specific presentation where you'd like to add this typing effect. It's always exciting to see how a small tweak can make a big difference in the overall impact of your slides. Now find the slide with the text you want to animate. Click directly on the text to select it. This is the piece of content we're going to enliven with our typing effect. Think of it as giving your text a voice and a stage to shine. Next, head over to the Animation tab at the top of PowerPoint. This tab is your gateway to a variety of animation options that can bring your presentations to life. Here, you can experiment with different effects to see which one suits your presentation style best. For this tutorial, we're going to start by selecting Appear as the text animation. This serves as the foundation for our typing effect. The appear animation makes your text pop onto the screen, and from there, we'll refine it further to resemble typing. With the basic animation in place, it's time to get into the details. Click on Animation pane within the same tab. This pane is incredibly useful as it allows you to see all your animations in one place and make precise adjustments. You should now see a list of animations associated with your slide. Right click on the transition label that corresponds to the text animation you just chose. If everything seems a bit overwhelming, don't worry. This part of the process is where we customize the animation to look exactly like typing. After right-clicking, select Effect Options from the context menu that appears. This is where we can add that finishing touch to our animation. Once you've clicked Effect Options, look for the drop-down labelled Animate Text. Here's the magic trick. Select by letter from this drop-down. This setting ensures that each letter appears individually, mimicking the look of typing on a keyboard. Finally, with all these preferences set, go ahead and click OK. And there you have it. Your text should now animate in a way that resembles typing, making your presentation both professional and intriguing. To wrap up, remember that these small details can significantly enhance the viewer's experience. Don't hesitate to play around with timing and other animations to perfect the effect to suit your needs. With a bit of practice, you'll have it down in no time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you create impactful presentations that stand out. And